Hello friends, I am Swapun. Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to draw Ma Saraswati's drawing with step by step. Here I will use A4 size cartridge paper. You can buy this paper nearby any paper shop. Also I use HB pencil and pastel color, also pencil colors. So friends, let's start the drawing. At first, you have to draw a slanting line. After that, you will draw an oval shape. Also, you have to draw neck portion. When you will draw body portion, you have to draw a shape look like a rectangle. And when you will draw lower portion, just you have to draw a matchbox. Then you will complete the legs. See, here you have to remember one thing, that here we are using some geometrical shapes. After complete structure, it look like a robot. Now we will complete hands. Also we have to draw her music instrument Veena. Now we will complete her hands. See here, when you draw music instrument Veena, you can draw here at first it look like a D, then you added two slanting lines. Also you have to complete the hands, and Ma Saraswati, here I have shown 4 hands, so you have to complete 4 hands. See, everywhere I used different type of geometrical shapes. Just you have to follow the measurement properly, because measurement is a very important for every figure drawing. Also you have to think, or you have to follow the gaps properly, because if you follow the gap also properly, then your drawing will be good. Just do more detailing. After that, you have to draw some ornaments. Then we have to complete the drawing properly. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel, hit the like buttons and share it with your friends. Tell your thoughts in the comment box. Stay tuned with Canvas and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.